is your First Alert 5 weather with Mike Daniels.
All right, check this out. That's what it looked like at Wolf Ranch at 9 o'clock this evening. We're 4 days away from the Memorial Day weekend, but it looks more like Christmas out there tonight. Wow, Elizabeth was actually singing Christmas carols earlier this evening. About 5 to 6 inches of snow up at Wolf Ranch right now. Just a crazy night of weather here across the Rockies. In Pueblo, street flooding earlier this afternoon. A downpour dumped some heavy rain parts of the city. This was at 4th and Abriendo. Drains probably clogged with debris, creating some of the flooding and the high water you see right there. Shout out to Jeremy for posting that picture for us. 34 degrees outside right now in the city. We've got snow. Yes, it's the 20th of May, and I'm talking about snow still, and the wind chill is 25 degrees. Welcome to springtime in the Rockies. 40 in Pueblo with rain shower activity. North wind at 17. It feels like 31 degrees out there. Here's that storm report. The south end of Pueblo, 1.3 inches of rain. Parts of the city had pea-sized hail. In La Junta, strong gusty winds, some tree damage, a gust at 59 miles per hour. Again, look at some of these snow totals. Many neighborhoods in the Springs picking up 2 to 4 inches. Falcon reporting 7 inches of snow on the ground. Just a ton of water with this snow. Here's what's going on. Precip comes in 2 flavors, rain and snow right now. I'll give you a closer look at Colorado Springs and El Paso County. There's a nice healthy pocket of snow right now just north of the downtown area, coming down pretty good. Also warm enough for some rain shower activity just east of the city. Mother Nature having a hard time making up her mind tonight. In Pueblo, dry on the southwest side of town, but across the northeast part of the city, places like Walking Stick, University Park, all the way out to Baculite Mesa, getting some real good precipitation in the form of rain. Everything is lifting off to the north tonight. Big, strong storm system impacting our weather. There's the big kahuna right there. This thing is going to gradually work its way east overnight tonight, eventually move up to the northwest into portions of Kansas and the Colorado border. But with that, we'll still see snow overnight tonight and at times early tomorrow morning before we see a break, and still warm enough for rain shower activity across parts of the area. Here's what happens tomorrow as that storm lifts off to the north. Going to see some strong wind on the backside of that thing. Gusts out of the north-northwest tomorrow, anywhere from 20 to occasionally 25, maybe 30 miles per hour in some areas. Here's what's going to happen hour by hour. Midnight tonight, just light snow. Again, the heaviest of the snow has ended across Colorado Springs. Most parts of the Pikes Peak region will still see some light snow at midnight tonight. Most of that dying off by 2 a.m. Still warm enough for some rain shower activity in the Pueblo area. Starts to pick up a little again early tomorrow morning. This is 4 a.m. seeing some light snow across the area. This model tries to change it over to snow even in the Pueblo area real early tomorrow morning, but by mid-morning seeing some drier air start to push in as the storm lifts out to the east, going to take the moisture with it. So again, mainly dry conditions during the midday hours tomorrow, but then by late afternoon starting to see the possibility of a few rain showers and even a little bit of leftover snow across parts of northern El Paso County. This is additional snow. This is on top of what's already fallen. Northern edge of El Paso County, Monument to Black Forest, you could get another 2 to 4 inches by tomorrow afternoon. Places like Briargate out to Falcon, 1 to 3 inches possible. North end of the city around Carefree Circle up to 2 inches, and the south end of town all the way down to Fountain of Trace to another inch of snow possible. Up in Woodland Park, another 2 to 4 possible by tomorrow morning. Pueblo 61 today, but there's the good news. Just today, 1.3 inches of water. You haven't picked up that much water so far this year, and you picked that up just today. In the Springs, almost an inch and a half of water out at the airport. Official high today, only 48 degrees. Outside right now, certainly not looking or feeling like the 20th of May. It is downright cold out there, especially across northern El Paso County. Frigid temperatures from Woodland Park into the Monument area. And here's how cold we get tonight in the Springs. Yes, cover your plants. 31 the overnight low temperature. Pueblo 37 to 38 tonight across northern El Paso County. Look how cold places like Monument and Black Forest dropping down to 27 degrees tonight. Highs tomorrow 49 in the Springs, 59 in Pueblo, but with that wind blowing, it's certainly going to feel colder than that. So dress like it's January, because it's going to feel like it across the Pikes Peak region anyway. In the Springs, again, most of the moisture is over by mid-morning. A leftover shower maybe during the afternoon hours. Could see another storm come in late Wednesday into Thursday morning with the possibility of a few showers. Nothing like what we've had here today, though. Dry and mild is the main message as you start thinking about that holiday weekend. Possibility of a PM thunderstorm by Memorial Day Monday. And in Pueblo, a few rain showers at times tomorrow, especially during the early morning hours. Could mix with snow in some areas. Warmer and drier is the message into midweek. And then look at those temperatures spike just in time for the holiday weekend. Outdoor activities are a go Saturday, Sunday, and Monday. Go ahead and pop the top on that barbecue grill. Canyon City, cool and breezy with a rain shower possible tomorrow. Then a warming trend for the rest of the week into the holiday weekend. Plenty of sunshine both Saturday, Sunday, maybe a thunderstorm by Monday. And in Woodland Park, we're going weather alert tomorrow morning for snow, slush, and icy roads. Be very careful. Allow yourself some extra travel time. Melting on Wednesday, and then Wednesday night into Thursday, a mix again as another storm system rolls across the Rockies. But man, what a wild weather day today. 2 to 4 inches of snow in the Springs. Of course, we're at that part of the year where you sometimes need snow tires on your lawnmower.
I hear that.